Now, I know that, somebody that's brand new to this industry, because I tend to get a lot of those watching my channel, right? And they might be thinking, okay, first off, I didn't know you can do millions in a cleaning company. So that's the first thing they're thinking. And then the second thing they're thinking is, okay, well, he must be cleaning a lot of toilets. So,
look, this for all my boss days. Go through your boss days. Loving how you boss, babe. This for all my dreamers and my doers and all the entrepreneurs. Just believe in what you're doing and pursuing them. This for all my boss, babe. Go through your boss, babe.
Well, we're going to have to get some type of applause sound effect or something up in there. Now, I know that, somebody that's brand new to this industry, because I tend to get a lot of those watching my channel, right? And they might be thinking, okay, first off, I didn't know you can do millions in a cleaning company. So that's the first thing they're thinking. And then the second thing they're thinking is, okay, well, he must be cleaning a lot of toilets. So if you don't mind, could you just share, like, what is your average work day or work week looking like to be bringing in that type of revenue with a cleaning company?
Like for me personally, like what do I do every day?
Yeah, just you as the owner. Yep. What are you doing?
This sounds so terrible. I don't do anything. I don't like honestly what I do today. I drop my daughter off at cheer practice, and I have this with you. I have nothing else planned for the rest of the day.
Yeah.
I do weekly meetings. I'm always on my weekly meeting call with my team on Thursdays, so I do that every week. But that takes me about an hour. I mean, as far as like the cleaning business, like I said, I've been focused on my media company, so it sounds like I'm an absentee owner. I really am not. I really work hard. Right. Just as of lately, I just haven't like done a whole lot of working in the cleaning business. But I am still around. I'm still a figure in the company, and but I'm always on weekly calls. I'm always still giving demands. I'm always an email away from my supervisors. But yeah, I mean, on average, I probably give it about 3 hours a week lately. So
your potential clients have no clue how big your business is or what it looks like on the inside. What they know is what you present to them. So if you are just presenting that same typical estimate sheet or quote sheet that everyone sees with the logo at the top and the itemized thing that says cleaning and a price, if you're doing that just like everyone else, then you're not going to stand out very much. If you want a more professional way to present your business, I created a template for proposals that you can download and customize to your own branding and your own colors and use it for yourself. And I guarantee you that you will have a lot more success. It'll show your potential customers that you actually care and you put some time into what you're presenting and how you're presenting your business. So download the proposal template. It's absolutely free. There's a link in the description labeled proposal template. Click that. Type in your email and download the proposal. You will have to confirm your email address and then the second email will come to you. I think it's of extreme value. Even if you don't use my template, at least you get to see how I'm doing proposals and be able to create one for yourself. And even doing that, I think is going to give you a much higher success rate. So download the proposal template in the link in the description. That's my gift to you guys.
Your favorite YouTube channel right now, other than yours or mine, but what's one that you really spend a lot of time watching lately?
This is going to sound so odd, but
okay.
I'm studying media in storytelling, and this man is one of the best storytellers on YouTube. His channel is Ants Canada. I don't know if anyone watching has ever heard. It's called Ants Canada. This sounds so weird, but he collects ants and he raises these ant farms, and the way he tells a story, he makes you care about these. I hate bugs. I only even looked it up because I was trying to figure out how to kill some bugs. But,
right.
But now, because of his storytelling and his filming and his greatness in that arena, I'm hooked on ant videos that he puts out every week. And so, but yeah, that's kind of my guilty pleasure lately, is watching ant videos on the Ants Canada channel. So shout out to Ants Canada. I don't know if you'll ever see this, but
yeah,
he's an incredible storyteller.
That's crazy. Bro. I don't know if I ever heard. I thought you were gonna say like Jake Tran or somebody like that. Man, that's crazy. Okay.
You asked me that a couple years ago. It probably would have been like one of those Alex Hormozy or Gary V or one of those. But yeah, I'm in a different mind state nowadays.
Yeah. Yeah. I was gonna say something else too, but I'm gonna let that ride. So all right, but what else we got? Your favorite hobby during your downtime, when you finally get some free time, you can just chill? What's your favorite hobby?
I like to whip my son in 2K and Madden, and I like to ride my bike, man. I got my Yamaha. I started riding like in the COVID year.
Yeah.
COVID was the year kind of things took off to a point where I really could step away and be gone. So I learned how to ride a motorcycle, and I've just been, doing that with all my free time ever since. So linking up with the bike crew and just zipping up and down Seattle and the whole West Coast.
That's what's up. Do you just play 2K with your son, or do you get all into the wreck and all that too?
I mean, I'll hop in every now and then but I'm not like, I'm not messing with the people who really be on them sticks like that.
Right. I would say you had to add me on, because I done got because I'm so competitive. I got a little taste of it. I didn't know it existed for years. I was just playing with my son, and then I said, let me check out these other modes. I accidentally walked into that wreck one time, and I'm addicted to it. That's like, whenever I get some time, I'm in
competition. That's where you could go.
For sure.
I go in there and I get dropped off, so it's not.
Yeah. Okay, but yeah, them kids were cussing me out in the beginning. Now I'm beast though.
I specialize in coaching and consulting for new and aspiring commercial cleaning business owners just like you. My goal is to equip you with the tools and the knowledge you need to thrive in this competitive industry. For me, you're going to get tailored guidance while you work with me one-on-one while I come up with a custom plan for you and your business. You'll get industry insights while you benefit from my years of experience in the commercial cleaning industry. I share my best practices, marketing strategies, and industry secrets, and anything else you need to get ahead. You're also going to save a lot of money by avoiding costly mistakes by learning from someone who's experienced and who's done exactly what you're trying to do. This is going to save you time and money. When you encounter obstacles or uncertainty, I'll be there with solutions to help you make informed decisions. I can keep you on track and remain motivated with regular coaching sessions to help you focus on your business goals. Click the link in the description below to book a one-on-one session with me, and we can help get your business to the next level.
Just believe in what you're doing and pursuing them. Just for all my boss babes.